Jack B update, and umattend sila Barbie Fortesa at Jack Roberto sa golden anniversary o wedding nung May 25. Ayan pa nga yung outfit nila. And magkasama ang Jack B sa event.
Vincent Salon, God bless.
May kabati ni Jack.
Mama.
Mama.
Vincent Salon, God bless. More power. Mama.
And si Dominic, Barbie at Jack, ay magkakatabi silang tatlo. Sila dyan ng perform si Gary Valenciano. Ayan sila sa event, golden anniversary.
You know, usually when I do an event such as this here at Gemmy, we are celebrating like 39 years, 40 years. So we're 10 behind. But I know it's not so easy to keep things.
Sa table.
I know we can laugh at it, but I'm speaking from experience. And that's why I wanted to do this song. It's a song, actually, challenges that come in any relationship are meant to build up the character of the relationship. And to get to 50 years, that's quite good. And I hope I'll still around in the 60th year, because I would love to do this song. That road may wonder it will lead to you,
Gary Valenciano.
and a thousand will be one. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see through, and I'll hold goodbye. It's hard, I know.
I'm
thankful
Malis muna
because
si
it's a
Dominic.
song that I think some of you may actually remember. The song goes like this.
Kasi anong usapan nila dun, si Jack at si Barbie.
Your age has been exposed. Thank you so very much for being very honest. 1985 when this first came out, my first time.
And dumating si Roscoe, boss ng Wiltec. Si Barbie at Jack. Nakausap nila si Roscoe. Jack. Ay, tumayo muna si Jack. Saka nag-picture take sa likod. Napasmile pa nga si Jack. Dumaan siya sa camera eh. Kaya tipon-tipon na dyan oh. Kasama si Jack. Kaya mga business.
On my own on this stage. So I want to call up here my friends. They call themselves the Maneuvers Ignite. So they're gonna join me up here. Yeah, these are, you know, we're not too far in age.
Mga business minded.
We're right there. But this is Josh. This is Darren. That's Brian. And this is...
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for mga update po ang Charlie Action Live. Bye guys, team for what?